Hello children, welcome back. This is subject EVS and as you know that we have completed lesson number 16 and today we are going to continue with the lesson number 17, pearly teeth, healthy body. Children, this is very short lesson, very small lesson and it is very easy lesson. Okay, here are some questions in front of you. How many children in your class have lost a tooth or two? Okay, now you are in third standard. Now you are not in school, but still you may know that some of your friends have lost their tooth. Will those who have lost some teeth get new ones? And if we lose our teeth, can we get a new one? Yes, you will get another one. Okay. People lose their teeth when they grow old. Do they also get new teeth? But if the people, like here one grandpa is sitting, and if such a people they lose their teeth, will they get another new teeth? No, they will not get another set of teeth. Boys like you will get another set of teeth, but once you get a new set of teeth, you will not get another set in old age. Correct? So, here is one point still given, grandfather's new teeth. Then how this grandfather got new teeth? Let's see what is this story. We had all gathered to play in the evening. Subhash had not come. All were gathered in the evening and Subhash did not come. He had gone with his grandpa to the dentist. Now what is mean by dentist? The doctor who treats teeth. It's called dentist. Okay, here is one dentist in front of you. 3 months ago, grandpa's teeth had all been removed. 3 months ago, they removed all the teeth of grandpa. He was to get his dentures now. Now, what is mean by dentures? Dentures means what? If the old people they lose their all the teeth, then they cannot get another new teeth naturally. So, we doctors they are giving them duplicate teeth. Okay, we can say as duplicate. Okay, dentures means what? Duplicate teeth. It is looking like the teeth, but actually it is not the original teeth. Okay, doctors set the set of teeth in the mouth of old people, that is called dentures. Monica Tai told us such dentures look like real but the teeth are actually false. See here, Monica Tai told that it is looking real teeth but actually it is not real, it is false. Okay. Ahmad, who is in the first standard, promptly asked, why get false teeth? My brother's teeth also failed, but they all grew again. Won't Subhash grandpa get new ones like him? So Ahmad was asking that my brother got new teeth, then why grandpa got false teeth? Why they are not? He will get another set of teeth, new teeth. That made everyone laugh. Then everyone laughed. Monica Tai explained to Ahmad, the teeth that we get when we are babies are called milk teeth. So children, when you are babies, that time you get the teeth that is called as milk teeth. Okay, they start falling when we are 7 or 8 years old. When we are 7 or 8 years old, means when you are in second or third standard, that time it starts falling. After that we get new teeth once again, and once it fall down again you will get new teeth. Okay, these are called permanent teeth, and these are your permanent teeth. When these teeth fall, we don't get new ones, and once you lose your permanent teeth, you will not get new ones. Okay, but Balu wondered, so what if we don't get new teeth again? Why should we get false ones? Monica Tai said, Balu, you are in the third standard. Aren't you? Several of your classmates must have lost their teeth. You have also lost some. Don't you have trouble eating and talking? Here is Balu in front of you and he has lost his one teeth. And when you lose your teeth, one or two, that time also you are feeling difficulty to eat. So when old people are there, they when they don't have teeth, they feel difficulty to eat the food. So they need to get the dentures like grandpa did. When Balu remembered, oh yes, you are right, I love govas, but now I can't eat them. Okay, so you cannot eat hard things if you don't have teeth. Mary teased him, and you know Balu can't say shh either. His front teeth are missing. When he tries, it sounds like a whistle. Everyone laugh again. Now you know why it is so important to look after permanent teeth, said Monica Tai wisely. Just then, Subhash and his grandpa returned. Grandpa smiled at us. His new dentures were shining bright. Then grandpa came back from doctor, and now he is with the new teeth, that is his new dentures. Okay, and it will make him to eat the food very easily. Many people lose their teeth when they grow old, but some people lose their permanent teeth quite early. What could be the reasons for that? Now children, just now we have seen that if you don't have teeth, you will feel difficulty to eat something, to eat food. So you have to take care of your teeth so that your permanent teeth will not fall down so early. Okay, so if you are taking care of your teeth, you can keep your permanent teeth for long time. Okay, so what care we should take? After eating something, we should wash our mouth, scrub our teeth inside and outside with a finger. After eating something, we should scrub our teeth. We should wash our mouth from inside with the finger. We should swill plenty of water in our mouth and rinse it well 4 or 5 minutes. Swill. What is mean by swill? When we take water inside the mouth and we are moving that water in the mouth. Correct? Are you doing it morning? After brushing, you have to move that water inside the mouth. It is called as to swill. Okay. So we have to swill plenty of water in our mouth and rinse it well 4 or 5 minutes. If we do not do that, particles of food remain in the mouth. They stick to our teeth and tongue. They get stuck in between the teeth. If they remain there, the teeth begin to rot. Then we get bad breath. That is, the mouth smells bad. If this happens often, the gums are also affected. They may ooze blood and pus. If you are not doing so, the food particles will stick into your teeth, in your gums, and after some days what will happen? It will affect your gums. Sometimes it will rot inside. Rot means what? It will be stick into the teeth. So after some days it will give bad smell, correct? And sometimes it may ooze blood and pus. Sometimes from your gums blood and pus can come out, and this whole substance go into your stomach. Then we can fall ill. And this pus means what? Dirty water which is coming out from the injuries. So that is going in your stomach and you can fall ill. Because of the rotting particles in the mouth, our teeth decay slowly. The teeth become loose and in the end they fall. And continuously, if you are not doing so, if you are not brushing your teeth properly, washing your mouth inside properly, so these rotting particles which are stick into our teeth, they will make your teeth to decay. Now what is mean by decay? Decay means slowly in the gap of two teeth there will be the infection, there will be the rotting particles, and it will make your teeth to decay. It will look blackish. Okay, inside injury type will be there and it will be blackish, and slowly what will happen due to this thing, slowly the teeth become loose and in the end they fall. We must avoid this. For that we must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. So what we should do? We should we should brush our teeth every day, morning and at night, and we should clean our gums and tongue also. Neem or bubble sticks are sometimes used for cleaning teeth. Some people buy tooth powder from market or make it at home. Many people use a toothbrush and toothpaste. So these things you can use. Neem or bubble sticks also you can use here shown. Paste you are using, you can use the powder, tooth powder. Okay, so neem and bubble sticks or homemade tooth powders do not clean well from the gaps between our teeth. But these things they will not help us to clean it properly. Also, tooth powder can be rough while the neem or bubble sticks are hard. They can injure our gums, correct? So, using a brush and toothpaste, we can clean the gaps between the teeth properly. Besides, the foam of the toothpaste helps the particles stuck between teeth to come loose and get washed away. So using brush and toothpaste is the best way to clean the teeth also and our gums also. Okay.